Y'all make up and be friends. Make up and be friends. Cut it out. Cut it out. Buster. That's my Sylvester cat. Up here fighting with the old other one. Cut out. Go ahead, separate. Separate, separate. Separate. Come on, that's enough. Y'all been tussling around there. You're bleeding. You're bleeding. Cut it out. That's enough. Come on, you two. Y'all cut it out. That's enough. That's enough. Break it up. 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 They just don't want to. They was fighting a minute ago. I got him to quit. He's already, his ear is bleeding. Your ear is bleeding. Cut it out. Ain't y'all had enough? Cold out here. Y'all cut it out. Go on. Good. Separate. He's getting away slowly. Old gray boy there is a tough one. He's a tough one. Too many male cats here. Alright, good. No action. That's better than them fighting. Alright, I'll see you. Animal sounds and all. No fight this day. That's a good thing. One day they won't fight at all. And all of God's animals will get along.